Hey guys, this is Hussein. In today's video we'll be talking about how to use the BSC swap. So basically, first of all, let's talk about when we get some new tokens listed on the Pancakeswap, especially, right? So how to get those tokens before they are even listed on the in the pool section. So you can even start approve. You can be ahead in a game. So for example, look at this APR, right? So there, that is 35,000 APR, and that APR is for the starters only. So for example, if you are staking Cake era BNB at the very beginning, that is the APR you are going to get, right? Because later on it drops to like 500, 400, 300, something like that, right? And also the price of the token is pumping when everyone is trying to buy the token, right? So what you have to do is, today I will teach you like how you can use how you can use the BSC scan to actually explore these contracts and be ahead in the game, right? So what you need to do is, first of all, look for the token that you are looking for, right? So you need to actually bookmark some of the tokens, right? And in some of the tokens there is like, so for example, I have so I think it's in the factory here, right? So these are some of the tokens which I have. Sorry, that is for the testnet actually. Let me just make it clear. Actually, you know how you can do it. Basically, just go to the transactions first, right? So you just go to the view transactions, right? And you first need to look for any transaction which is swap exact tokens for ETH, right? And just make sure that it is sent to Pancakeswap router v2, right? So you just need to from this, by clicking on this, you will open the router right here. And what you need to do is open this transaction basically, right? And in this transaction you will see that, okay, that someone is sending something to Pancakeswap v2 pool, right? And the v2 pool is returning some BNB, right? So someone is actually swapping this VD token to BNB, right? So just click on this Pancakeswap v2 VD15 pool, right? So when you will open it, first of all, it will open up like this, that this is the token, and this is the address which is holding this token, right? So how much it is holding, it is holding around 3.3 million, right? So just click on this address here, and you will see that, okay, it must be labeled as well. And in the tracker you will see Pancake LPs, and all the Pancake pools are actually listed like that. So in the token section you might see VD token, BNB, and some other tokens, so don't get confused with that. What you can actually do is, if you want to make sure that which pool this pool has which tokens exactly, so what you need to do is, actually you need to open the contract section, right? In the contract section you go to the read contract, right? And in the read contract you actually look for the reserves, sorry, the token 0 and the token 1, right? So this is the token 0, you click on this address, and this is the token 1, right? So now these two addresses that are open, these are the two tokens. So this is the VD token address, right? And this is the BNB token address, right? And also from this pool address you can actually get the factory contract out of this. So this is the factory, right? So now how many addresses you have? So you have the factory address, right? And you have the v2 address, right? And you have this pool address, and you have these two separate addresses, right? So these two separate addresses are not needed, of course. So the main things that we were actually looking for was this factory contract and the router contract, right? And of course the pool contracts, we got it from there. So what you need to do is, if you don't have this pool contract or the token addresses, right? So first you need to look for any announcement, obviously. So they announce ahead of time that this will be listed, right? Or you can also do another thing actually. Uh, in the transactions of the factory here, you will see some of these transactions that whenever something is listed on the Pancakeswap, they first create that pair, right? So you see these methods here, the create pair, right? So you open this up, right? And you will see a transaction, right? And in the transaction you will see the address of the two tokens, right? So that is the token A and that is the token B, right? So this is the new pool that is just created like 1 day and 8 minutes ago, right? So you open token 1, you open token 2, right? And just leave the router as it is. Okay, so this is Tuxi token, right? And the other one is BNB, right? Okay, now what you need to do is you want to look for the pool of these two tokens, right? So what you need to do is actually go back to, so you can just remove this transaction here. You don't need the transaction anymore. You have the contracts, token contracts, right? Now you need to go to the contract section of the factory contract, right? Go to the read section here, and in the read section you can actually uh, get the pair by inputting the two addresses here, right? So make sure that you copy the address from here, right, and just paste it there, and again copy the address of the second token, right, and paste it there, right, and you query it, right, and there you get the address, right? So that is the pool here, and as you can see that in the pool it is like right now the liquidity is very low. It's like $19,000 are in the BNB, in terms of BNB. So obviously the same amount of Tuxi token is already there, right? So it's like half wrap BNB and half Tuxi tokens are there, right? And as you can see that this guy is actually ahead of the time, ahead in the game. So whenever the announcement will come in, he probably be in the starters who will be, buying, or maybe he is using some kind of bot to, because he has already approved the router to actually, take the tokens, BNB tokens from his account to actually buy some Tuxi tokens whenever they get listed, or if he sees the announcement, right? Actually, that was like 3 hours ago, and you can already see some action here, that okay, people are already buying some of them, right? As you can see that someone just bought and buying and selling. So this one just sold here 154 thousand, actually 154 million Tuxi tokens for like 0.009 BNB. So actually liquidity defines that how much one Tuxi token is equivalent to how much BNB, right? So that's how. So as you can see that people actually already started trading like 3 hours ago, as you can see here. So probably the first guy was the one who actually approved the contract, right? And after that all these transactions here. So if you want, if you think that whenever this token is going to buy and is going to be listed on the Pancake farm like this, and it is going to have a high APR, right? Then what you need to do is actually you can buy this token ahead of time, right? And because everyone, when after the announcement everyone will be buying it, right? So the price will automatically pump, and obviously because you have already bought, right, so you will be on profit. Then you can sell it to those people who are actually going to buy it, right? So you can buy a good amount here at the moment, because the it's like the value of this token is very very low as compared to now. No one knows, of course, that also brings some risk, right? But this risk could worth it, right? So I remember I did this same on the chess token, and actually I made a good money on that. So it's just it's the one way of doing this, right? So yeah, of course, if you guys need more uh, videos like this, just mention that in the comment section, and I'll follow you up, guys. Thanks, bye.